Hi, good people. I am Rachel Marion Beck, also known as Omnificent, and I like to eat raw vegetables, and also I'll be dead soon. Yeah, so please enjoy this cover. Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know it's been coming for some time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know it's shining down like water. Yesterday and days before, sun is cold and rain is hot. I know it's been that way for all my time, till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow. I know